We begin this talk on awareness with the consideration of awareness from multiple sources. Beginning with Nisargadatta, Sri Nisargadatta Maharaj, who was initiated into spiritual awareness by a travelling holy man who visited him twice only until he had stabilized in the spiritual insight, I am that, representing the awareness that he was the totality. He had this to say: awareness is primordial. It is the original state, beginningless, endless, uncaused, unsupported, without parts, without change. Consciousness is on contact, a reflection against a surface, a state of duality. There can be no consciousness without awareness, but there can be awareness without consciousness, as in deep sleep. Awareness is absolute. Consciousness is relative to its content. Consciousness is always of something. And next, a disciple of Nisargadatta, and a teacher and a contemplative in his own right, renowned for his work on death and dying, Stephen Levine. We mistake the clear light of pure awareness for the shadows that it casts in consciousness. Pure awareness, pure isness, has no personal identification. It is the essence of being itself. And next, a contemporary spiritual teacher, Eckhart Tolle, says, the moment that you become aware of the ego in you, it is, strictly speaking, no longer the ego, but just an old, conditioned mind pattern. Ego implies unawareness. Awareness and ego cannot exist. And finally, awareness is an occupation like no other, because not only is it a practice, it is also our natural condition. And that's from my book, Human Awakening.